Welcome back to our how-to series on the Climatiq Excel add-in. In this video, we'll show you how to use your Climatiq API key to run carbon calculations in your own Excel files. For this video, you'll need your API key ready, the installed add-in, as well as your personal Excel file of data to get started. If you haven't already, make sure to watch our introduction video. To recap, our Excel add-in is using Climatiq's API key to perform calculations for you. This means in order for the add-in to be able to use the API, you need to set a personal API key within your own file. Let's have a look at how to do this. You first need to make sure to copy your generated API key from your personal dashboard. You can then open your Excel file of data and create a new blank sheet. In this sheet, we'll now use one of Climatiq's formulas to set the API key. This can be done by clicking into any cell and typing =Climatiq on your keyboard. As we can see, a list of formulas have appeared. We can scroll to the bottom of the list and select the =Climatiq.set key formula. We always need to set the API key enclosed in inverted commas or quotation marks. So let's open the inverted commas, paste the API key, and finish with another quotation mark and a closing bracket. We can now see that the API key has been set successfully. Some important things to note is that for every new file that you want to make calculations in, you have to set an API key. And each file only ever needs one key. This key is then saved in the metadata of the Excel file, which also means that if you share this file with colleagues that also have the add-in installed, the API key does not have to be set again. Another tip is that if you want to ensure that your colleagues or even customers that have access to the file are not able to make calculations using your key, you can always override it by deleting the API key in between the quotation marks. Previously calculated and copy results will remain, but new calculations will be given an invalid token error. To start making calculations and get carbon insights from your business activity data, please continue to the next videos in this How to Excel series. I'll see you in the next video.